Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about merit scholarship for professional or technical courses in 2021. First of all, talking about the benefit of that scholarship for professional degree course student. For hosteler, rupees 1620 per month for 12 months. For day scholar, rupees 900 per month for 12 months. For professional postgraduate course student, for hostelers, rupees 1860 per month for 12 months. For day scholar, rupees 960 per month for 12 months. For professional diploma and postgraduate diploma course student, for hosteler, rupees 1110 per month for 12 months. For day scholar, rupees 720 per month for 12 months. For professional certificate course student, for hosteler, rupees 930 per month for 12 months. For day scholar, rupees 630 per month for 12 months. For general course up to graduate level, for hosteler, rupees 804 per month for 12 months. For day scholar, rupees 420 per month for 12 months. Now for postgraduate studies in arts, commerce and other subjects, for hosteler, rupees 930 per month for 12 months. For day scholar, rupees 630 per month for 12 months. Now I will talk about the program, then eligibility, then documents required for that scholarship, then how can you apply for that scholarship, then important date related to that scholarship, then selection criteria of that scholarship, and at last some terms and conditions related to that scholarship. So first of all, talking about the program, Department for the Welfare of SC, ST or OBC, Government of NCT of Delhi invite application for merit scholarship for SC, ST or OBC or minority students pursuing professional or technical courses, Delhi 2021 from recognized college or professional or technical institutions. This scholarship aims to provide financial assistance to eligible students so that they can complete their higher education. Selected students will receive up to 1860 per month for 12 months. Now talking about the eligibility criteria of merit scholarship. To be eligible, an applicant must be a domicile of Delhi, belong to SC, ST or OBC or minority community, be studying in recognized colleges or professional or technical institutions at undergraduate or postgraduate level, have an annual family income not exceeding rupees 2 lakh for OBC and minority students. Now talking about the documents required while applying for that scholarship, residence proof, Aadhaar card, caste certificate, income certificate if applicable, bank detail of students Aadhaar seeded, previous class mark sheet, fee structure if applicable, fee receipt if applicable, verification letter for outside Delhi application. Now talking about how can you apply, link of the official website is given in the description box. Go through the link, go to the official website and open the e-district portal, log in using existing credentials or register as a new user. Provide all the relevant details and follow the instruction. Select the scholarship scheme and upload the required documents and finally submit the application. Now important date related to that scholarship, application deadline is 15th of February 2021. Now talking about the selection criteria of that scholarship, all the candidates meeting the eligibility criteria will be awarded the scholarship on the basis of academic merit. And at last talking about some terms and conditions related to that scholarship, applying candidates should not have less than 60% marks in the previous academic calendar. The family income ceiling is not applicable in the case of SC or ST students. Students getting a stipend from institution or government during the course of study are also eligible to get the merit scholarship. Minority community students should be a resident of Delhi for the past 3 years. A caste certificate should be issued in the name of student or his or her father's name by the competent authority of Government of NCT of Delhi. In the case of a minority student, a declaration by parent or guardian in the prescribed format that his son or daughter belongs to a particular minority community is required to be uploaded on the portal. And at last, students with an academic gap up to 3 years are required to upload an affidavit on the portal. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching this video.